I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you an excellent equation based on quadratic relations. It is a thinking question. You can pause the video, answer the question and then look into my suggestions. If ax plus 2 times bx plus 3 equals to 12x squared plus kx plus 6 and a plus b equals to 7, find k. Find the value of k. We are given 4 choices. The value of k could be 3 or 4, 6, 12, 12, 16, 17 or 18. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question and then look into my suggestions. Okay, so let's see how to solve this. We are given that ax plus 2 times bx plus 3 equals to 12x squared plus kx plus 6. So if we expand this, that is multiplying each term, we get a times b x squared. So we can write this as abx squared plus 3ax plus 2bx plus 6. Now if you compare these two equations, what do you notice? We notice that ab, which is a coefficient of x squared, should be equal to 12, right? So first thing which we get from here is that ab is equal to 12. And we are also given that a plus b is 7, right? So we are given that a plus b equals to 7. Now what two numbers when multiplied give you 12 and add to 7? Well, the only combination which can give you this is 3 and 4. So 3 times 4 is 12 and 3 plus 4 is 7. So what we could have is two options. One is that we could have a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. The other option is we could have a equals to 4 and b equals to 3. So those are the two options, correct? Now, taking these options, we can find the value of k from these values, correct? Now, here we have 3ax plus 2bx. That means the coefficient of x is 3a plus 2b, right? So if you compare the coefficient, that is these two terms combined with k, you can get the value of k, correct? So to get the value of k, what can you do? You can solve the two cases. One, with a equals to 3 and b, a equals to 3 and b equals to 4. I should have highlighted these two. So if I take a equals to 3 and b equals to 4, what do I get? I get 3 times 3 plus 2 times 4, right? So that becomes the value of k. So which is equal to 3 times 3 is 9 plus 4 times 2 is 8, and that gives you 17. Well, the second option could be that you could take a as 4 and b as 3. In that case, you get the answer as what? You get 3 times 4 plus 2 times 3, and that gives you 12 plus 6, which is 18. So 17 and 18 is the right choice. So do you see how to solve such a question? So basically, you need to understand how to expand while multiplying the binomials and then compare the coefficients. Comparing the leading coefficient, which was 12, we get product of AB as 12. We are given a plus b is 7. So that gives you an option that a and b could have values 3 or 4, right? So one option is a is 3, b is 4. The other option is a is 4 and b is 3. Taking these options one by one, we get both the answers, right? So when I apply this first time with a equals to 3 and b equals to 4, I get k as 17. And then when I apply the same with a equals to 4, b equals to 3, I get the answer as 18. So those are the two possible values of k. So I hope the explanation is straightforward and absolutely clear. Now this is a very important question from test point of view, and I hope it helps you to understand the topic better. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.